tendency to treat the symptoms of a disease versus the actual cause and the other systems that have been offended by that cause. And in almost every disease, you'll find that the nervous system has been offended. Almost every disease. You name one, I'll tell you how. So, because of that, I found that when you address a particular disease, the symptom, you also need to address the nervous system. Okay? Your nervous system is how you interact with your immediate environment, your surroundings. Smell, taste, touch, hearing, vision. Even how you operate, how you move around, to think. Your nervous system is involved. Okay? Your nervous system, I know a lot of you are proponents of you guys believe that mucus is the cause of most disease, which I wouldn't disagree with that. I think it's a bit more nuanced, but you got to understand, your nervous system dictates the amount, the viscosity, the volume of mucus. So if your nervous system's out of whack, then you're producing abnormal amount and composition of mucus. Okay? And this can be a major contributor to whatever the issue is, but as you see, mucus is a symptom of whatever the fuck is going on. And your nervous system is directly involved. One of the main reasons we have nervous system issues is stress. Stress, man. Shit, check this out. Hope y'all can see that. That's a mullein plant. This is a biennial. It's an adult mullein plant. These take 2 years to grow, to reach maturity. That's why it's called biennial. Alright? But anyway, stress. Stress is incurred because you are, the way you perceive things, and the way you perceive things, the way you perceive them is through your nervous system. And because, see, our minds are not designed to keep us happy. Our minds, our brains, I should say, are made to keep us alive. Okay? The evolutionary brain is designed to make you look for any and everything that's wrong to keep you alive. In a jungle, if you've seen a stick, or the people like to say the jungle, but really it would be in the grasslands. If you've seen a stick, your brain would say snake, because that shit might keep you alive. Warring tribes, vicious animals that'll eat you, because we were once part of the food chain and we weren't at the top of it. So you have to be aware of that shit. But we're not in those circumstances anymore. But arguments, a bad day at work, getting an overdue bill activates the same areas of the brain, of the nervous system, that produce a fight or flight response, and in this response you have chemicals being produced that's sent into your bloodstream to help you run or fight, to help you survive. But those compounds should be used up in the action that in the running or the fighting. It'll be used up, but that's not the case anymore. A lot of this stress is incurred when you're sitting down, when you're thinking, when and it's staying in your bloodstream, it's solidifying, and it's causing issues, especially in your veins and capillaries. And what happens is this suffocates tissues, nerve tissue, nerve cells, is suffocating them. Okay, now you're getting nerve damage, you're getting neuralgia. If you have diabetes, the high amount of sugar in your blood is destroying your blood vessels. Okay, it's hindering, it's decreasing the amount of oxygen not only tissues and muscles, the rest of your body, your brain is getting, but most definitely the nerves, which is why 70% of people with diabetes have neuralgia or nerve damage. That's why. I don't know, man. It's kind of difficult talking into a camera without any specific question being asked, but I hope you guys get an understanding of how important your nervous system is. Your nervous system is not one area. It's your peripheral, it's your autonomic nervous system. It's the limbic system. Okay? It's a very sophisticated system with many circuits that relay messages to each other and interact with each other. Okay? Guys, make sure you see, one more thing. A lot of times when we use herbs to address the nervous system, when you do address it, you're using the lavender, the chamomile, the damiana, the verbena, the lime blossom, which is all good. And those relax the nervous system, which is cool. But when you use those herbs, 9 times out of 10, you are trying to address the symptom of a damaged nervous system, which is anxiety, depression, pain, this or that. And those herbs are most definitely useful for that. The compounds in them, the volatile oils or terpenes, whatever you want to call them, the molecules within those plants will do a very good job at relieving those symptoms. But to help rebuild, to fortify the nerves and the nervous systems, you need electrolytes. Okay? You need cholinergic herbs. Okay? Iron. Okay? Actual choline. There's plants with choline in them. Then you have your plants that, like mirapuama, ginseng, gotu kola, that will address the nervous system, but not in a sedative kind of way. We call them nootropics. Those herbs will also act as nootropics. Okay, I know I'm all over the place, but hopefully you guys got a couple useful sound bites from this. And the comments if y'all have any specific questions. I'll be happy to answer them. That'll be much easier for me to do versus just rambling. But I really wanted to express how important the nervous system is. Peace.